Alrighty. Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's unboxing of this Louis Vuitton bag. I purchased this bag at the Louis Vuitton store in Holt Renfrew in Vancouver, BC, and it is my first luxury bag purchase. And today I'm going to do an unboxing for you. And the reason why I went with Louis Vuitton is I felt like it was, a beautiful luxury brand, especially as it is my first designer bag purchase. I wanted it to be something from an iconic store. And I went with the LV Boulogne, which is the new 2021 bag. And let's get ready to do the unboxing. So already it comes really nicely packaged in this beautiful box, which I will keep just in case, if I ever do plan on reselling it and just for storage in the future as well. It also comes with the receipt and a lovely little card here. The retail price for this in Canada is $2,820. And yeah, it was a really nice experience purchasing this. I didn't feel uncomfortable at all in the store, which was great. My sales associate was really friendly and pleasant. It also comes with two Louis Vuitton sample fragrances, the Afternoon Swim and the Coeur Baton, which I am very excited to try. They're both eau de perfume and they are 2 milliliters each. So that's fun. It's so pretty. I just don't feel like unwrapping this. I probably will save this, although I have no idea what I'll use it for later, but why not? So this box opens like envelope style, and inside there is the dust bag. I'm just going to move that. And so you obviously want to keep it stored within this dust bag here. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So I did get it in the monogram canvas in the black leather. And it comes with this really pretty chain. And I did decide to go with something that wasn't kind of your typical classic bag, such as a Speedy or an Alma, just because I felt like those were classics that I can pick up secondhand or, vintage. I really love like the Nano Speedy or the Speedy 25 vintage. And I just feel like for something newer that I would be able to kind of wear both dressy and casual, I really wanted to go with something new. And if you look at the handle here, there's a little tiny piece of sticker just to protect the name, and I'm going to peel that off. And it's only on that one. I'm just going to open that. And the inside pouch does have the made in USA imported materials and components. It also comes with the textile label, so coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and man-made lining. And it is the Boulogne in Noir. And so you can see the additional pouch is stored inside here. Additional strap is stored inside. It's a gorgeous strap. The strap is almost one of the reasons why I went with this bag. I just think it's so gorgeous. Really, really pretty. And you can kind of extend it and use it. And yeah, very excited to use this. There you have it.